rain's coming, so we had to make a lean-to to protect the grill from getting cold while it rains. Today I'm grilling ribs for a family get-together. These are simple St. Louis style ribs. I've taken them the night before and put a rub of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning on. Now, through the cooking process, we're going to keep these moisturized with a mix of 50-50 vinegar and steak seasoning. I use the local store brand, but in Alabama you usually use Dale seasoning. We're going to let that cook and come back in a little bit. Every 7 to 10 minutes we flip and spray. So we're about 5 flips in, and our ribs are finally starting to get color to them. They're not ready yet because the meat has not started pulling away from the bone yet. I'd say another 20 minutes and these will be just fine. And here is the finished result. Overall cook times 40 minutes to an hour. Have fun with it.